Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we will explain you how you can get a deleted list on Trello. So let's jump right into it. Accidentally deleting a list can be really stressful, especially when it contains important tasks or project details. But don't worry, because Trello has a built-in feature that allows you to recover those deleted lists easily. I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can restore your lost information quickly and confidently. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Trello.com. Click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. You can sign in either by entering your email and password or by using your Google account for faster access. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Trello dashboard. Here, you need to select the specific board that contained the deleted list. If you have multiple boards or workspaces, make sure you pick the correct one by checking the board titles carefully. After opening the board, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll see three vertical dots. This is the menu button. Click on these dots, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. Choose the one labeled Archived Items. This section stores all the cards and lists you've archived or deleted in the past. By default, Trello shows archived cards first, but since we want to recover a list, you need to click on Switch to Lists to change the view. Now you'll see a list of all your archived lists. Scroll through until you find the one you want to restore. When you locate it, just click on it, and Trello will instantly bring it back to your board exactly as it was, with all the cards and details intact. Remember, archiving and restoring lists is a great way to manage your boards without permanently losing any information. It gives you peace of mind knowing that mistakes can be easily fixed,